Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move, not only from a price action perspective today, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $1.55. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.55, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $1.55, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point right here around the $1.44, $1.45 mark. So near term, $1.55, $1.44. Taking a step back though and looking at things from the big picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic way to look at this, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The price action is in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably if it could stay above $1.55, that would be great. But from the big picture of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of the trend. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as that is concerned, I'm actually going to scrunch up the chart here just to make sure. Yeah, there we go. Key level of resistance right up there at the $1.70 mark. This was actually a level of support back here during the portions of the chart and where the price was rejected here. But all in all, I don't want to say resistances don't matter, because they do. But what really matters at this point in time is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as the price begins to build higher lows as time unfolds, everything else will take care of itself. So focus on those higher bases and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.